These hawk videos have been going viral and of course getting tons of views. This one actually have lots of views, and this one also, look at the views. I mean, you can use this video to grow your channel, grow your page, or grow your TikTok account, whichever one that you want. Let me show you how to do that real quick. So to generate this trending AI hawk video, first thing is to go to Grok AI app. This is Grok right here. Note that you can use this from the website or you can download the mobile app, alright, and you can do this using your iPhone, laptop, Android, anything that you have, alright. So this is the Grok right here. So simply tap on it. This is the interface, right? Then click on Imagine and then click on Tap to Imagine right here. You see two options: image, video. We'll first get the image before we now do whatever that we want to do with the image. I'll first type generate a giant hawk image. Let's see if Grok can actually generate something like this, right? Let's see how good this is. Oh wow. Right now, these are the things that Grok generated, and as you can see, it did so well. All right, so now that we already have the images, I will save this one. Tap on save right here. So once I save it, I will take the image to ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. Alright, so if you do not know what is ChatGPT, this is it. And if you do not have it, simply go to your Play Store or App Store, search and type ChatGPT. Alright, once you see ChatGPT, they'll ask you to download app. You download into your phone and then open it. Alright, so once you download it, you open it. And here you click on this plus sign right here and photos. It will show you different photos you already have in every photo that you have on your phone already. All right, so that you click on this one that you imported from Grok. Let's just imagine that we want it to lift somebody up. I'll now say up. I'll now send this. Remember, I said I need a prompt. All right, first let it give us a prompt. So this is it right here. Okay, so this is the prompt right here. Now I will tell ChatGPT to generate the image. Generate the image. All right, so after giving us the prompt, it should turn the prompt that it gave us into an image. So the thing is, after waiting for ChatGPT to generate this thing, this is what it wrote right here. It said that it cannot generate this thing. So all I will need to do now is to tell it to optimize the prompt. Since it cannot generate what I asked it to do, it should drop it here. All right, no need of me scrolling up to go and copy it. All right, since he said it cannot generate it. All right, so this is the prompt right here. Prompt, I will tell it to put it inside a box. Copy. All right, so I always tell ChatGPT to put my prompts inside a box. This is the box right here. Instead of me to start copying this way, you know, I'll click on it and start copying. I do not have that energy, right? So I will simply ask it to put it in a box. So once I tap on this copy code, everything will be copied into my clipboard, and I will tap here to paste wherever I want to paste it, right? So right now we will go back to Grok. So here in Grok, I will go back and click on Imagine. Then I will paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave us and send it. Now it is generating. All right, so right now let's see. Okay, so this is what it gave us. It's actually not carrying the man. All right, it's not carrying the man, but I thought ChatGPT maybe it went against something. Maybe it cannot give me the exact thing that I wanted. So let me find the one that will suit me. Okay, this one, I'll drop some prompts on my WhatsApp channel, and I will explain the things that you should not do while doing these things. I want the one that looks very bold, the one that will look so bold that I can animate right now. So this is how you keep doing it. All right, there is no perfect way to do these things. You have to keep getting prompts from ChatGPT and trying so many things. I want the one that is actually facing the hawk itself. So I'll just click on one. Let me click on this one. Once you click on it, you'll see the prompt right here, and other things it's generated. But these things are not giving me what I wanted. You can take your time and scroll through these things to see if you will find one that will best fit what you want. I will simply remove this prompt right here. Make the African man. So let's see how it will do these things. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Let me just use this one so we can move on to the next step. All right, so take your time, explore more, so you get exactly what you want. So right now you edit whatever that is here, you edit it or you remove it entirely and place yours. I'll tap on make it a video, and first let me see what Grok can do for me. So I'll tap on Grok will choose for you. All right, this is it right here. So let me go back to ChatGPT. I'll also drop this on my WhatsApp channel. All right, so this is it right here. For the first scene, I will tell it to make it one scene at a time. So this is it. I'll now copy. If I want more than 4 scenes, if I want 10, if I want 20, this is how I'll do it. And this is it. I'll copy and go to Grok. Yeah, so this is the one. I'll paste the first scene right here and send it. Okay, as you can see, the ChatGPT prompt gave us a perfect scene. So this is a beautiful scene. Imagine a video starting on YouTube, on TikTok, or anywhere with this type of scene. Of course, you know that people will watch that video till the very end, right? So this one is done right now. Just tap on save right here. Let me go back again. So I will paste my scene 2 prompt and send it. So the first one is where it was chasing the man, running after the man. The second one was when the man stopped. He stopped running, right, and was like, let me talk to this. This is what we do for all your scenes. So right now, this man is supposed to be talking. So let's make it talk. Of course, we are using ChatGPT again for this scene. Let me select this one and remove it. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the prompt that I want them to talk. All right, so now I have gotten it here in ChatGPT. I'll copy and then go back to Grok and paste it. So this one I'll also save it. So this is how you animate so many of them and then save.
Why are you running after me?
Remember that I am doing this for free, but Grok has limits. So this is how to make your images talk with Grok, and as well get your images and animate them. Right now, let me use CapCut to show you how to add sounds that will suit your story. Click on new, and so right now this is it right here. So if you are making a YouTube video, remember to go to aspect ratio 16:9. You can decide to zoom, all right, to make it talk one after the other. I'll show you how to do that. Or if you want the both to talk, simply go to background, blur, and remember you can also go to background, go to images, and use this color to add to the background. But I do not like these colors. I prefer to use blur. It will align with the story that we are telling, right? I can make it this way. I'll zoom the man while the Grok is here. It will talk. Okay, you can lift it a bit so that they will only see the man, just like this. And after that, you duplicate this. Tap on this video, duplicate it. So now the second one, you bring it down so that the Grok itself. Okay, so you now remove the one that you remove where the man was talking in the second clip, and then delete the rest that have played. So right here, you make the man to talk. All right, split and remove this place and let the other one to talk. All right, then you zoom it just for everybody to see that the Grok is now, the hawk is now talking. All right, so this is it right here.
Why are you running after me? You can't escape me.
Okay, so this one should be the first where he was running. All right, so you can, there is a lot to do with these things. You can duplicate this one as well. Let me show you something real quick. Like I always say, you need a little creativity. All right, so let me show you something right now. So right now I will zoom this. I'll have to remove other places, right? I'll remove these ones right here. I'll tap on it and delete. And now this is it. I'll start from the leg. All right, I'll start from the leg. You can even make it in slow motion. Go to speed, normal, then slow it down. Let's see. Okay, you can even slow it more. Okay. Then you split it right here. Just a little slow motion, right? Then here you split it and increase the speed right here. Okay, you can just increase it a little bit. So let's see right now. Alright. So now we don't need to zoom this. We'll make it closer. Alright, then it will show the man. You can make your video to first show the man. Alright, then it will show the man running. You split it and now show the whole video with this hawk right here. Alright, you can make it this way, show the hawk. Just with little creativity, you can use a clip to do multiple things and people won't even mind, because they will be so interested in the video that they won't even know you are playing so many things, because you are showing them these things one after the other. Right here, you now go to background and blur it. Alright, you can do, or you can regenerate this particular image using YouTube size so it can fit, but this is not the thing that people are interested in. People are interested in how you edited it. Generating the image, making it talk and everything is one thing. The next thing is how to edit these things. The sound that you added, Grok is doing very well. You can replace this sound or use the sound already. So let's see how it is right now. Let's watch the movie that you and I just created now. Let me zoom this. So this is how to create it. Remember to tell it to give it consistent character, right? So that it will be the same people talking and everything, right? So this is it right here. As you can see, this is, I don't know. So let me not be the one to rate this thing that we just created. So let me know in the comments. Rate this video from 1 to 100. So to add your volume, if you do not want the one that Grok gave you, simply tap on the clip and reduce the volume to 0 right here. Then click on audio. You can download these things. You can download the audio or use the one inside of CapCut. Simply tap on Sound FX. This is Sound FX right here. Tap on it and then you can type suspense or danger. You can type danger as well. You can type danger. You can type anything that comes to your mind. You can even use ChatGPT. All right, let's go to ChatGPT. This is what I asked ChatGPT, right? I want a sound that I can add when it's not this thing that I want. It's this and not the spelling of that. So this is it. I'll correct the spelling. I told you that I want the sound, right? So when the man was, in CapCut, what sound can I search for in the Sound FX? Tell it in CapCut, in InShot, depending on the video editing, so that it will search for it and let you know what to search for. All right. So now let's see what it gave me. It says bass hit, low impact, and the rest of it right here. Let me use the bass hit. So let me search for bass hit. Okay, so this is it right here. All right, so as you can see, this is fine, but it is just one. So you can still go back and search for more, use ChatGPT and get everything that you want. If you want a longer sound, tell it that you need a longer sound. If not, you can use this here, then cut this and increase the sound of this one. So this is it right here. So right now you have learned how to create hug videos. I can't wait to see what you create. Go ahead and create yours and let me know if you have created it in the comment section and how it looks, and tell me if it's actually going viral, because these videos are actually going viral these days. So create it and let me know how yours is doing on your page, on your channel, or on your TikTok account. So once you are done creating, simply tap on export, and the next thing is to upload your videos. The recent one I uploaded as well, which is the folktale, I also talked about how to upload videos in that particular folktale video. So once you tap on done, go to your phone, get the video and upload on your channel shorts or on your channel long form videos. All right, I am Success and I wish you success. Like this video, so subscribe to this channel. I will see you soon. Bye.